with the Snow Dogs, you guys. Today, which is actually the same day as we made the mayonnaise cake, but camera magic, you guys won't know that except I just told you. We are making cheeseburger soup. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Cheeseburger soup? All right, let's make some cheeseburger soup. Okay.
All right, we gotta start.
Oh, you guys are all like ready.
Ready.
Yes.
A tablespoon of butter.
I think that's a sound effect. I don't think it really sounded like that. I'm just
We gotta
saying.
melt that though, so it's gonna take a second.
Oh, okay. So we'll be back in a second.
Now we're gonna add a tablespoon of parsley.
This is the weird part that we're actually adding all these things. Ooh.
Tablespoon of basil.
Get it in there. Get it in
That's
that
so
butter.
weird.
And then 3/4 of a cup of onion.
Ew.
There's the sizzle.
There's the sizzle.
Technically, it's supposed to be, yeah, 3/4 of a cup, but we're only using 1/3 of a cup. That's why it looks like less than 3/4 of a cup.
And then 3/4 of a cup of chopped celery.
Oh, now it's sizzling. Yeah, now I hear it.
Yeah.
And then 3/4 of a cup of the shredded carrots.
All right, so we are going to saute all of this stuff together and let it kind of cook down a little bit. It looks amazing. It looks so good. Shelby's like, "Can I help? Can I help, guys? Guys, could I have some?" Not yet. You can have some cheese. Memphis is over here guarding it. You guarding the cheese? You keep guarding the cheese.
Yeah, we'll give them some cheese.
All right, everybody gets a little piece of cheese.
Yeah,
Memphis is like, "No way, I actually get some cheese. I'll get some cheese."
Oakley gets some cheese.
Oakley gets a little piece of cheese.
Shelby gets some
And
cheese.
Shelby gets some cheese. See, when we make soup with stuff you can have, you get to nibble some. Cheese for the dogs.
Parsley and basil.
What are you doing now? Are you trying to steal potatoes? No stealing the potatoes.
Here.
Yep. No, because she'll eat the whole bowl before we can blink.
Another ½ pound we can cook out. ½ pound of brown ground beef. Did that come out right?
Yeah, brown ground beef.
And then
How did you brown the ground beef?
It was camera magic.
spray paint.
Spray paint.
3 cups of chicken broth.
Oven's broke.
How many?
Uh-oh, we broke the oven.
Funny, we were joking about the power going out.
4 cups of diced potatoes.
So many potatoes. I guess that's why it's hamburger, cheeseburger, potato soup or something.
Potatoes not in the name at all.
That's not. I just put it in the name.
There's potato in here.
Yeah, let's add it to the name. Now, we're going to stir this together and then we're going to bring it to a boil.
Boil.
All right, so we got this soup boiling. Now, we're going to cover it. Hey, how come you're not playing music this time? And now we're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes.
I had to make sure it wasn't going to still boil.
Oh, it probably will for a while.
Everyone.
What
All of
them, all one.
are you waiting for?
I took one little piece and broke it into pieces.
Oh, you had more cheese? No more cheese.
Where the cheese
Just give
is?
them little
That's
tiny
enough
pieces.
cheese.
Little tiny. Ah, that wasn't a cheese. That was my finger.
It's enough cheese for the puppies. So while that is simmering, in another small saucepan, we are going to take the remaining butter, which is 3 tablespoons, and 1/4 of a cup of flour, and we are basically going to make a roux. But first, we need to melt the butter. So we're going to melt this butter. All right, so we're going to we got the butter all melted. We're going to take 1/4 cup of flour, pour that in there, stir it together, and then once it starts bubbling, we're going to add it to the other soup. Alright, so see how this is all nice and bubbly? Got nice and thick, but it's nice and bubbly. Now we're going to slowly take and stir it into here without this dog hair. Yeah, see, that's looking pretty good. I'll let it bubble for a second. You don't want it to burn, that's why we keep stirring it a little bit. Now we're going to add it into here. A little bit at a time, stir it as we do it. And we're gonna bring this back to a boil. Scrape the rest of that off of here into here. Shelby's like, whoa. Okay, so after we put all that stuff in, we let it cook for 2 minutes, and then we're bringing it back down to a simmer, and now we are slowly going to add the milk.
Yeah.
And how much?
1.5 cups of milk.
So 1.5 cups of milk. We gotta add it slowly so that it doesn't burn as we do it.
The pan's moving.
So Greg's gonna do that. All right, now comes the fun part. How much of it is there?
There's 2 cups of cubed American cheese.
Not Velveeta, American cheese.
American.
And we got it from the deli at Meijer. We just had him give us a couple pieces and we
Had him
cubed
cut
it.
as thick as he could.
Yep.
We just cubed it from there.
So basically what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put this in here, leave it on a simmer, and keep stirring it until all of that cheese gets nice and melted. This is already smelling absolutely amazing. Looks pretty good too.
We have to add the salt and pepper yet too.
Oh yeah, we gotta add salt and pepper.
So
How much salt and pepper?
it's 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I just got the little one, so I'm gonna do it 3 times. And then
Shelby, I don't think you want salt if he drops it, I'm just saying.
and then half a teaspoon of pepper.
Alright. So now we are going to remove it from the heat now that all of the cheese is melted. Look at that beautiful coloring on that soup.
Well, I think I found one that just didn't break down. There it goes, it's melted.
Well, you might get a bite of cheese in there.
Oh no.
And now after we remove it from heat, we need to add...
Half a cup of sour cream.
Alright. Which is just weird to me, but I guess
It makes it creamier.
that makes it even creamier. I guess. So we're going to add that, stir that in, and then we get to try it. It looks amazing, smells amazing. I can't wait. You can try it. You don't have to wait. You're going to burn your tongue though, so fair warning. You're going to burn yourself.
I didn't, and it's really good.
Is it?
Sit down.
Shelby's like, oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think?
Smells great.
Don't burn yourself.
It's fine.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah. Yeah, you need to try it.
You can't
Yep,
have
your
any,
turn.
Shelby. Don't burn yourself. It's so hot. Yeah? Good job?
That's
Alright.
delicious.
I guess I'll try it. The dogs are like, can we have some? No, there's onions in it. You can't have any.
Cheeseburger.
Mmm. Burn my face off. It's not
Alright.
like super bright, is it?
Mm-mm.
Did you already hit it?
Mm-hmm.
It's so weird because you don't hear the button.
Beep beep.
I don't want to burn my tongue.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Mm-hmm.
That's ridiculous how good that is.
Uh-huh.
Ridic.
It is. You want some?
No.
Uh-huh. We can make this many times over.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Yeah, look at that.
Look at that.
Sorry,
steam.
Shelby.
Onions, baby.
Straight on the lens.
Mmm.
I really wish.
Shelby, you can't have any.
Hey, Greg can't eat any soup.
I'm sorry. It's not Greg's fault.
Greg, you have 2 heads.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
She's like, just give me a bite of your soup. That's all I gotta do.
But it's got onions.
Just give me a bite of your
It's
soup.
got onions, baby.
You can't have any.
You can't
Sorry.
have any.
She's like,
I'm
fine.
mad. I'm mad.
So there you have it. Hearty cheeseburger soup. Oh my gosh, it was so good. Eric showed up, so the guys are back downstairs playing games. I thought I would just go ahead and end this video. All of us thought it was amazing. Greg said it was probably one of his favorite soups ever. Probably the best cheeseburger soup I've ever had. This was my first time making like a full-on cheeseburger soup. Turned out awesome. As always, let us know if you're gonna try making this. Tag us on Twitter, tag us on Instagram, post it on our Facebook page. Links to all of those down in the video description below. Let us know if you're gonna make it. Leave us some suggestions down in the comments on what to make next. All right, you guys, if you're new to this channel and you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends to help us continue to grow the audience. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. I think we're back on track and making some videos on this channel. Goodbye, guys.